Hi, my name is Noelle Martin. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 3 young boys. I have 6-year-old twins and I have Rhett, who is almost 4, and Rhett loves to do things in the kitchen with me. So today we thought we'd share one of our favorite smoothie recipes with you, and Rhett's gonna help me make it. So it's a coconut milk base, which means that it doesn't have the protein in it that a cow's milk base would have. So we're gonna go ahead and add that coconut milk in. It has a nice fat factor for kids, but certainly great for adults too. We all need our fat to come from somewhere. But we're going to add in these hemp hearts. They have omega-3 fatty acids, which are so great for us, but they also have a source of complete protein, which takes that coconut milk and it adds the protein factor that we'd find in cow's milk, but in a healthier way, because it's a plant-based protein that has the omega-3 fatty acid in it as well. Great job, buddy. From there, when you're building a smoothie, you basically are just thinking about how can I value add with lots of nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and lots of color. So today, we thought we'd do bananas and strawberry, which give fruit, antioxidants, a nice sweetness, and then we're gonna add in some frozen kale and avocado, which will help the smoothie be nice and cold and give tons of nutrition in the kale and the avocado. So in the avocado, we have more omega-3 fatty acid, which is so great for kids' growing brains. We know that omega-3 fatty acid exposure early on makes a huge difference in their brains and also in their eyes. And omega-3 fatty acids as we get older really helps in terms of anti-inflammatory properties, like with kids, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and add those strawberries in. Go ahead, honey. See how many you might think you want to add in. Should we do it together this way? Yeah. So these are gonna give a nice sweetness and to cut a little bit of bitterness that might come from the kale. Oh wow, lots and lots. Okay, a big mess. That's kids in the kitchen. We're gonna have a really strawberry-y smoothie. That's awesome, sweetheart.
Now taste what?
Well, we're gonna add the banana in. Press the button.
But I had to stir it first.
Do you want to stir it first? Sure, you can stir it first. Can you break this apart and put it in? The banana gives a nice sweetness as well. We've got lots of vitamin C and potassium in there. Your hand get a little bit gunky. So we'll go ahead and blend that up and then we can enjoy it together as an afternoon snack. So even though we really just need to put this on the blender and press the button, Rhett asked to stir. And when you have kids in the kitchen, you want to let them do the things that they ask to do because it creates interest. One of the things about allowing for kids to touch food is it's an exposure to food. And it can take up to 20 exposures or more for a child to know if they actually like or don't like a food. Looking at the kale and avocado in here, stirring around the milk, the strawberries, and the banana, those are exposures to food that are really valuable. So the more that you can get your kids to touch food, look at food, mix it around, understand how textures work, it's a really good thing. Great job.
I'm smush.
You're smushing. Should we blend it up and enjoy it?
This is how it can feel yummy.
Okay.
It's time.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay, Rhett, we've got it all mixed up.
Okay.
Are you excited? You gonna help me? Okay. Excellent. You help pour mummies? We've got some left from when brothers get home from school. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Enjoy. So good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My nose.
You got some on your nose. So good. So you get your kids in the kitchen, you get them to help you make stuff, and really there's ownership there. There's the autonomy of them being up here, helping you at the counter. They have more interest in trying something that they've made. So if you have a little bit of a struggle getting fruits and vegetables into your kids, especially vegetables, go ahead and throw them in a smoothie. You're not hiding them. You're adding value to something that they'd have anyway. You still want to put those vegetables onto a plate. You still want exposure for them to see them and feel them. We don't just want to hide vegetables, but we definitely want to use that value add. Cheers.